The most important aspect of personal finance is creating an emergency fund that offers stability and comfort during trying times. A safety net, an emergency fund works as a cushion against unforeseen costs like medical problems, auto repairs, or job loss. People may go through difficult times without turning to high-interest loans or depleting their long-term savings, if they routinely set aside a percentage of their salary to grow this fund. An emergency fund should ideally be enough to pay for 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenditures. However, this might vary based on the situation and risk tolerance of the individual. The fund can expand slowly over time by commencing with modest donations and progressively increasing them. The emergency money won't be used for regular costs if it's kept in a separate, accessible account. It takes discipline and dedication for someone to build an emergency fund, but its significance cannot be emphasized given that it offers a financial safety net and enables people to weather unforeseen storms, while continuing to work toward their long-term financial objectives.